Nakabili ka ba ng Now Omega 3 sa amin and you're wondering what does this mean? Yan, GOED. Explain ko sa inyo. GOED or GOED stands for Global Organization for EPA and DHA Omega 3. Ang taray, no? May ganun pala.
Pwede na!
Itong Now Omega 3 kasi, this is distributed or being sold worldwide. Wow, social! May pakita ko sa inyo yan ha. Yan, GOED Omega 3 proud member. Nasa website yan ng GOED Omega 3. So meron silang list ng members. So ito yung Now Foods, yan. Bakit importante nyo malaman din ito? Kasi itong GOED, ito yung nag-set ng strict standards for potency, purity, and oxidation levels. So basically, a seal of quality and trust. So makakasiguro kayo na itong Now Omega 3 ay pure fish oil ang laman. So makakasiguro kayo na walang cost cutting, yung tipong 50% fish oil tapos 50% cooking oil. Walang ganon. Saka syempre, dito sa Clover Alley, kumukuha lang kami ng reliable supplement brands from the US.